Doing some headlight work on a Mercedes driver's side front headlight using Goose-Grip Swivel-Stick Mechanics Work Light. And you'll notice that I have the 12-inch long light stick with the stainless steel swivel. I actually have it attached to a power steering line. The metal of the power steering line, the magnet is so strong that you can put it right on like any metal. And then the light is so thin it's able to traverse behind the lights. Nothing's in your way. There isn't no fat body of a flip light that's taking up room. All that is 14 millimeters by 8 millimeters thick, 1300 lumens. You see what I gotta work on? You know, all the wires are all burnt, melted. I don't know what happened to them. Probably got to put a harness in there. But Goose-Grip Swivel-Stick Light, available at goosegrip.com. Throws out a ton of light. It's got a lifetime warranty. You can pivot this thing at any angle. It stays where you put it. You can't do that with any other light. Not easily. Anyway, goosegrip.com. It's 120 bucks, lifetime warranty. Doesn't come with the batteries, but the batteries about 50 bucks. There's a promo on there. You get both that light and the battery for, I think, $135 with free shipping. Anyway, I'm out.